Mercedes-AMG GLC 53. A return to 6 cylinders and mild hybrid power, Mercedes-AMG is streamlining its high-performance GLC lineup, unveiling the new GLC 53 as a direct replacement for the outgoing 4-cylinder GLC 43 and the plug-in hybrid GLC 63 SE performance. This move signals a strategic shift away from complex plug-in systems towards a simpler, yet potent, mild hybrid setup. The end of an era. Why the change? The decision to drop the 4-cylinder and plug-in hybrid options isn't arbitrary. Stricter emission regulations, particularly the upcoming Euro 7 standards, have made the older powertrains obsolete. Mercedes-AMG is adapting to a future where compliance requires rethinking its approach to performance. The GLC 53 arrives as a transitional model, bridging the gap until the fully electric AMG GLC, featuring advanced axial flux motors, arrives in 2027. Power and performance. What the GLC 53 offers: the GLC 53 boasts a reworked 3-liter turbocharged straight-six engine paired with a 48V starter generator. This combination delivers 449 horsepower and 443 lb-ft of torque, a substantial increase over the previous GLC 43. The starter generator adds up to 22 horsepower and 151 lb-ft of boost, with an overboost function briefly increasing torque to 472 lb-ft, 0-62 mph in 4.2 seconds, a noticeable improvement over its predecessor. Top speed, limited to 155 mph, but expandable to 168 mph with the optional AMG driver's package. A focus on driving experience. Sound and handling. Mercedes-AMG isn't just about raw numbers. The GLC 53 places a strong emphasis on the driving experience. The exhaust system features special resonators, designed to produce the signature AMG growl, pops, and crackles that enthusiasts expect. Beyond the sound, handling is also improved. Electronic rear limited slip differential, available as an optional upgrade, enhancing traction and stability. Drift mode, included in the same optional package for those who want more control. Rear wheel steering provides up to 2.5 degrees of articulation for increased agility. The future of AMG. A step towards simplification, the GLC 53's mild hybrid setup represents a deliberate move away from the complexity of plug-in hybrids. While offering substantial performance gains, this approach allows Mercedes-AMG to navigate tightening emissions standards without sacrificing the visceral experience that defines the brand. The shift foreshadows a broader strategy, streamlining powertrains while preserving high-performance capabilities. The GLC 53 is not merely a new model. It's a statement about AMG's commitment to adapting and evolving in a rapidly changing automotive landscape.